Okay, in last lecture we have discussed about FIR digital filters. Today we will start another topic called IIR filters, also called infinite impulse response filters. So today we will start a topic that is IIR filters. We have already seen FIR filters. We have already seen FIR filters using windowing and frequency sampling method. This scene is meant for design. Then for FIR filter achieve a sharp magnitude response, the order of the filter is increased. This property of FIR filter we have already seen. Now we will just quickly do the differentiation between IIR and FIR filters. Now comparing both IIR and FIR filter, we get for a given magnitude response, IIR filter can achieve at much lower order. IIR filter does not exhibit linear phase response or constant group delay behavior. This is advantage of IIR and this one is disadvantage of IIR. Now to conclude, we can say if the principal objective of filter design is only to achieve magnitude response, then IIR filters are preferred. Over FIR filters. Now we know in FIR filter we have linear phase condition. One may ask why this linear phase condition is not possible with the IIR filter that we want to discuss at this point. And we know there are two cases. First, symmetric, and second one is anti-symmetric. FIR filters are either symmetric filters or anti-symmetric filters to follow linear phase condition, and then at this condition we know Hn is equal to plus minus H m minus 1 minus n. And now if we take the Z transform of this complete equation, it is Hz will be equal to plus minus Z to the power minus m minus 1, and then H of minus n is nothing but H of Z inverse. Now what does it means? It means the same thing which we have discussed in our previous lecture, that for every pole which is inside a unit circle, there exists another pole outside the unit circle. Now, what is the condition of stability? That is, all poles should be inside the unit circle. This thing we have already discussed in our previous lectures. That means all poles should be inside the unit circle, then only the system will be stable. So that's mean if the condition of linear phase is put upon the IIR filter, system will be unstable. This is the point first. Second point about causality. To make IIR filter causal, we have to provide infinite delay, which is practically not possible.